Hey everyone, welcome back. If the ING internet banking is showing not available, the issue is usually temporary or related to connectivity. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to rule out network problems. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies if you are using internet banking through your web browser. If you're using the ING app, swipe it up from the bottom of your screen, look for the ING app, completely close it, and then reopen it. Go to the settings app and then go to general, go to date and time, and then make sure that the date and time is set to automatically. If the issue continues for several hours, ING may be performing maintenance. In that case, wait and try again later or contact ING support, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.